Hello my dear children, now we can continue our chapter integers. Here we are going to study the properties of integers in addition and subtraction. Which all are the properties? We have learned in our last class closure property, then commutative property, associative property, distributive property, then additive identity, like that way. Now we can study first closure property and then commutative property of integers in addition. Okay, in addition we can study closure property, then commutative property. Okay, now the first one, closure property. Actually, when we are adding two integers, -2 and -3. What is the answer? -5. -5 is also an integer. -5 is an integer. Then -4 plus 1. We know 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Why? Because here we are adding one negative integer and another one positive integer. So we have to subtract it, and after then we have to check the sign of greatest number. Here 4 is there. So the sign of 4 is negative. So the answer will be -3. Okay, you got it. This type of properties we have studied about whole numbers in your 6th standard. Now here it is 4 plus 5, two positive integers. 4 plus 5, positive 4 plus positive 5. That is equal to positive 9. 9 is also an integer. Then in case of -2 plus 2. Here -2 and plus 2. That is additive inverses. The sum will be 0. 0 is also an integer. That means when we are adding two integers or three integers, how many integers doesn't matter. When we are adding integers, we will get integer as an answer. Always an integer will be the answer. That is known as closure property. That means integers are closed under addition. Got it? Integers are closed under addition. Okay? Is it clear for you? Now about the closure property. Now we have studied about the addition of closure properties. Then here subtraction. What about subtraction? Now we can subtract two integers. That one is -1 minus 3. That is, how can we subtract? Here -1 plus the additive inverse of 3. That is -3. We have to take the additive inverse of this number and we have to add it. That is equal to -4. Actually, we can write this one as very easy. That is -7 minus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. Keep the negative sign. Then -4 minus 9. 4 plus 9, 13. Then keep -13. Okay. Then 4 minus 5. Here 5 is greater than 4. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and this will be negative. Okay. Then 10 minus 9. That is equal to 1. Now we can notice all these answers are integers. So we can say subtraction of integers are satisfying this closure property. Okay, always when we are subtracting two integers, we will get an integer as the answer. So this is true. This is satisfying in case of subtraction of integers. So now we can say subtraction and addition of integers are satisfying closure property. Clear? I think you got the idea about this closure properties. Okay, thank you.